In this video, we will present to you the feature ad hoc analysis of debit and credit posts in opening trial balance. With this feature, you can easily analyze debit and credit posts in the trial balance from the opening balance. Let's take an example of an accountant who would like to analyze debit and credit posts in a trial balance. As with other balance reports, first select the criteria you need, and right-click the Report button to transfer the data to ad hoc analysis. Using standard ad hoc features, such as drag and drop, you can adjust the criteria according to which you want to analyze the data. In this example, the accountant wants to look at the opening balance separately by accounts and subjects. In addition to debit and credit posts, you can use this tool to perform other analyses in the trial balance, and customize them before creating the reports. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.